Hi and welcome to this video tutorial on the resource Prezi. So right at the top I just wanted to start by saying I already have a Prezi account, but you can make that by clicking the top right hand corner right at the top of your screen. Up there you can also press the help button if you need any help or explore. So we want to start by making a new presentation, so hit that new presentation button. Prezi has a ton of resources of different outlines of and themes of prezis that you can create. They have a list on the left hand side of different popular uses like for marketing or for HR and training, but I just chose a general one. You can also filter them by color. So I chose this colorful nature one. When you choose it, you can flip through and decide on the theme and see how it goes. So before making a choice, you can always flip through. It also has a skilled rating right at the top, and that kind of helps you make a choice about which ones, if you're a beginner or if you're skilled. All of them are pretty typical and easy to figure out once you explore a little bit. So you name your presentation and you can click the button on the right hand side that just says it can share with anybody. If you want to only share it with certain people, it is a paid feature on Prezi. And then hit start presentation and it'll load it all up. So when you get to the presentation, you can see on the left hand side there is a bar similar to what you might see on PowerPoint with all the slides. When you click the slides, you get to the subtopics that show you the different pages that are already put in. With any subtopic, you are totally able to add more pages or more topics when you are working. This is just the preloaded. So on the top, you can see there's a bar and it says you can choose the theme, and then you can also insert different things. You can insert graphs, you can insert text, and a text box will pop up where you can type. You can insert images, and you can either search for an image, which is a paid feature of Prezi, or you can upload your own image from Google if you had saved that. So those are both options of adding images, both in your main presentation or in the different topic slides. So you can also add different little icons which are free. You can flip through, you can even search to find specific ones, and to add those you drag and drop. And you can adjust the size by dragging the corners of the boxes. So we're going to go to the first topic. So I click that and you can see the title, topic page, and then two subtopics. So to click the text box, you can add text by clicking, deleting the text that's there, and then restarting. On the top of this screen, there is a toolbar where you can change the kind of font. So a title, a subtitle, a body. You can change the font. And then you can change the font size, so make it smaller or bigger. You can bold it or italicize. You can also change the color of the text box itself or of the text, which the first one is the text box and the next one is the text color. And then make the text go in the middle, to the side, how you want it indented. So all of those are features that may be familiar to you from other programs like Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, where it's set up in a similar way. So this is just a slide where I said hello and welcome. You can drag text box to move them, enlarge them, and as you add more text, they grow in shape. You can make the text box bigger or smaller. So what you want to do is you want to change the title of the subtopics. You click on them and then delete the text, and you can add different text in there. So I changed it to features and instructions, which might be two topics you made if you were making a Prezi about making a Prezi. You can also click on different subtopics. You can click that and it'll show you more pages. To add more pages to a topic, you can choose to add a planet where it shows up as a circle, or a page where it just completely fills the page. Those are two styles that you can choose from to present your information on that. And again, that's right on the bottom left-hand corner where you make that choice. You can add text throughout on the main page, and in more features you can also add shapes, you can add arrows, and to add those you're going to drag them and drop them from the bar on the right hand side that pops up. You can upload videos where you can embed YouTube videos through their URL, which I just added a video from a different presentation that I had. You can upload a video, but that is from your files, but that's a paid feature. You can upload a PDF, or you can upload animations or choose animations to add. To review your presentation, you're going to hit the right hand top corner that says present, and you can flip through using your arrow keys on your computer, and that'll bring you through the presentation to see how it looks. It's like a PowerPoint but with more animation, and that's the really cool thing. At the top bar above the toolbar, you can also see a button that says share, and you can share it as a URL or a presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you use Prezi.